everyone. So today I am going to discuss the drugs which act on the progesterone receptors. So basically progesterone is used for the hormone replacement therapy, oral contraceptive pills, uterine bleedings and for fibroid. In progesterone we have four generations: first generation, second generation, third generation and fourth generation. So basically as the generation increases, potency of the drug is increases, and as the generation increases, androgenic activities decreases. So the fourth generation is the most potent and anti-androgenic activity. So this is the most important, that fourth generation is most potent and have low androgenic activity. Now it is, as generation increases, androgenic activities decreases. Now the most of the progesterone have androgenic activity, which lead to the hirsutism, acne, etc. So here are four generation drugs. First generation includes the esteranes, and in which the drugs were norethindrone, norethindrone and norethinodrel. Second generation includes the gonans, in which norgestrel, levonorgestrel includes, and in third generation there is gestrel, gestimate and gestidone. Gestrel, gestimate and gestidone, those were desogestrel, norgestimate and gestidone. Fourth generation progesterone were nomigestrel and drospirenone. So drospirenone have anti-mineralocorticoid activity, and fourth generations were least androgenic activity. Now as same as the estrogen receptor have, so progesterone receptor also have selective progesterone receptor modulator, in which on some organs they were agonist and in some parts they are antagonist. So they are basically selective. So selective progesterone receptor modulator, SPRM. So in this we have three drugs: mifepristone, onapristone and ulipristal. In mifepristone, so they are usually morning after pills, and they block the growth receptor, prolactin receptor and androgen receptors. Mifepristone have glucocorticoid antagonist and antagonist of androgen receptors. Progesterone antagonist in uterus endometrium. So here the uses of the mifepristone. So for the remembrance of the mifepristone uses, we have trick mifepristone. M for morning after pills, it is used in morning after pills, mifepristone. I for induction of abortion. F for fibroids in endometriosis. PR for progesterone receptor positive cancer like breast cancer, or in meningioma we use this drug mifepristone. And it also increases the steroid activity, so it's used in Cushing syndrome, and tone is nothing for. So this is the trick mifepristone, uses of mifepristone. After that we have ulipristal and onapristone also. So on indicate that only, and pris means progesterone. So this is the only progesterone antagonist. This drug is only progesterone antagonist drug, so also used in induction of abortion. Ulipristal used as emergency contraceptive, only drug which can give after T2 hormone, type 2 hormones. So this can give, ulipristal is the only drug which we can give up to the 120 hours. So it is given as a single doses of 30 milligram for emergency contraceptive, and mostly all other drugs are given within the 72 hours of the emergency contraceptive. So mostly all emergency contraceptive taken within 72 hours. So that's all for about the progesterone drugs, and I hope you all like it. Thank you.